Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Just wanted to do a real quick video on tabletop restoration my way. This is going to save you a ton of time, and you won't have to work on the tabletop for half an hour, 1 hour, 2 hours, what have you. I've seen all the videos. This is going to go a lot faster. I picked up this Laguna table saw, very cheap, and the table itself was rusted, just like that center section. I've already worked on the extensions right there, and I'm going to show you how I cleaned it up like that very fast. Okay, so let me just tighten this up. Let me show you what I bought off of Amazon. These purple grinding wheels. Okay, and when I say grinding wheels, I'll give you a link to the description. They're not really grinding wheels per se. They're very, very hard. Almost like the scrubby pads, you know, the green pads, brown pads, what have you, but it's a lot harder than that. It won't take a lot off the top. It will take a little off, but I'm not that concerned because I'm going to be moving the grinder very fast, relatively fast, and I'm going to clean up this table. Watch. I do wear a mask because I don't want to breathe all the dust that's coming up. Let's get to it. Always keep the grinder moving. And again, I'm using the term grinder loosely here. I want to mention that I'm not putting any downward pressure on this. I'm basically just holding it and letting it ride and letting the pad do the work. Look how fast this is already done. Now where you go from here is up to you. I'm going to go over it a little bit more with the scrub pad, and then after that I'm going to take my random orbital buffer, and I'm going to take some 400, then some 600 grit sandpaper, and then I'm going to put some Johnson's paste wax on it. But you see how quick that cleaned up? So save yourself some time. Get one of these little scrubby pads, use a grinder, and you'll be done in no time. See you next time.